Okay, this is insane. That machine behind me is James Watt's steam engine, and it literally feels like I'm watching the first industrial AI system come online. This city seriously feels like the Silicon Valley of the 1700s. Everywhere I look, there's smoke, factories, and machines changing the future in real time. This literally feels like touring an AI robotics startup, except everything runs on steam instead of electricity. These inventors are building the future from scratch. It's midnight, and the factories are still running non-stop. You can actually feel the ground vibrating from the steam engines under the streets.
Keep the pressure steady on the line. Check the looms in section 3.
I honestly think I'm watching the birth of the modern world right now. Everyone here knows this machine is about to change civilization forever. The heat in here is unbelievable. This entire industrial revolution is literally powered by fire, coal, and non-stop human labor. These factory owners sound exactly like modern startup investors. Everyone here is trying to figure out who's going to control the future of industry. This entire industrial economy depends on global trade. Cotton is arriving non-stop, and these factories are consuming unbelievable amounts of raw material. I honestly feel like this thing could explode at any second. These engineers are basically testing prototype industrial technology with zero safety regulations. The factories are creating massive wealth, but also entire overcrowded neighborhoods around them. You can really feel how fast society is changing. People here are staring at this machine like it came from another planet. This could completely change transportation forever. After working non-stop around those machines all day, this is where everyone comes to recover. You can hear the entire industrial revolution being discussed in this room. Everywhere you look, there are factories, cargo ships, and steam engines moving non-stop. This city honestly feels like the center of the future. Every single gear in here is handmade with insane precision. These workshops are basically building the hardware of the industrial age. Even at night, this canal is packed with cargo traffic. The entire city is running 24 hours a day because of industrial demand.
The needle is moving. We're losing pressure. Get back. We're gonna move.
Okay, something just exploded behind me. The entire factory is filling with steam, and nobody seems surprised this can happen.
Keep it steady. Watch the temperature.
They're literally pouring rivers of molten iron in here. Every machine in the Industrial Revolution starts inside workshops like this. These blacksmiths are basically manufacturing the parts that will build the modern world. The amount of energy in this room is unreal. These inventors are experimenting with electricity decades before it becomes mainstream. It honestly feels like visiting the prototype stage of the future. They're building factories so fast that entire neighborhoods are transforming almost overnight. Industrial expansion here is completely non-stop. I had no idea the scale of cotton storage was this massive. This warehouse alone feels bigger than some modern factories. Coal is basically the fuel source powering this entire revolution. Without deliveries like this, none of these factories could survive.
The blue is reaching the correct shade. I believe the yellow requires more time.
I wasn't expecting industrial Manchester to be this colorful. They're experimenting with chemical dyes that completely changed textile production.
The journey of innovation culminates here. The next phase of intelligent design is activating.
System check 0. After seeing the birth of steam power in 1769, I finally understand that this moment right now, the AI revolution, is our generation's industrial revolution.